Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to share with you and all I guess you could say, I'm not going to say alternative, but something that's a little bit that can help like a kinetic learner when it comes to learning how to count money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share the video of the money set that I purchased. And this, I think it will be very helpful when it comes to getting a touch and feel of understanding the numbers, because some kids, they're not visual. And of course, it's different learning styles. You can always look those up, the different learning styles for children. But again, that's the disconnect when it comes to traditional education and having the opportunity to homeschool. So I hope this is helpful. I like how it was packaged. I'm very pleased so far, and I look forward to, I guess, giving a little bit more information on different ways to use it. All right, peace. Hey guys, this is the money kit I was talking about. As you can see, it's nicely wrapped. It has dollars, it has checks, it has coins, it has everything that you would normally need, to teach about currency. So yeah, this is what I have for you guys. Peace.